Hey there, it's Roman Rich. Thanks for joining me. Got a great opportunity for you to get involved with Route 66 and the preservation of Route 66. Behind me, we've got the iconic Shamrock Motor Court. On May the 2nd, 2020, we're planning on having a volunteer day. What we're planning on doing is coming in and cleaning out all the debris from the Shamrock Motor Court. We're hoping to also do some stabilization efforts to the inside of the motor court as well. There's some structural issues that need some help. So if you have the spirit, you have some grit, and you're motivated to come out here and help us, we'd really appreciate your help. May the 2nd and 3rd, 2020, we're in Sullivan, Missouri. For more details, just go on Facebook and look at the events for the volunteer day for the Shamrock Motor Court on Route 66 in Sullivan, Missouri. I'll take you around and give you a little look here. Little tour. So the motor court has only been owned by 2 people. The second owner has had it since 1953. It is available for sale, and we're hoping that somebody will buy it and restore it, opening up as a new motor court on Route 66. That would be great, wouldn't it? So you'll see this beautiful stone architecture. It's relatively unmolested. I'll show you that they used to have neon up in these triangular dormers and along the soffits. So you can see some of the neon tubes are still there. This place, again, has been relatively unmolested since the 1950s, 1940s. This was about a 1948 building. So the neon tubes, I don't know if we have any neon still left up in the dormers or not. We'll take a look here in a little bit. But you see all this beautiful architecture with native field stone arranged with the neat little suns and stuff like that. All sorts of cool stuff. This place has about 10 units, but there's a good amount of debris left in there. It's been abandoned for about 11 years, and so we really want to see it brought back to life. So you can help us out by getting involved May 2nd, May 3rd of this year. And I don't see any of that neon left in the dormers. I thought there was, but they used to have neon up in the dormers too. The building's pretty much all original. It has 10 units, and it just sits about 80 feet, 90 feet off of Route 66, right here on the west side of Sullivan. Sullivan's an up-and-coming town. Got lots of great stuff going on. They're revitalizing the downtown historic district, so this would be a great opportunity for you to get involved and help preserve an icon. If you're interested in buying the Shamrock, just give me a shout. My number is posted on my Facebook profile, or you can also shoot me an email at rich@hookedonroute66.com. I hope to see you on May the 2nd or May the 3rd, 2020, and we greatly appreciate your support. Do us a favor and share the video and share the event with all your friends. I'll see you there.